Hello everyone, today we will be looking on how to use Guru Knowledge Management. Let's dive in. What is Guru Knowledge Management? Before we get into the how, let us quickly talk about what Guru Knowledge Management is. Simply put, Guru is a platform designed to help businesses and teams organize, manage, and share knowledge. This could be anything from documents, how-to guides, and training materials to troubleshooting steps, policies, or even industry-specific insights. The goal is to make sure everyone has easy access to the right information when they need it. Getting started with Guru. 1. Set up your account and team. The first thing you will need to do is to set up your Guru account. If your company or team already uses Guru, you will likely be invited by an admin to join the platform. Here's what to do. Sign up. If you are new to Guru, sign up for a free trial or pick a plan that fits your company's needs. Join the team. Once you have signed up, join your team's workspace where all the knowledge will be stored. Set up your profile. Make sure your profile is up to date with your role and expertise. This helps others know who to reach out to for specific questions. 2. Create and organize knowledge categories. Now that you're in, it is time to organize the knowledge that will live in Guru. Think of this like setting up folders on your computer, but in a way that is easy to navigate and share across the whole team. Create collections. Guru uses collections to group related knowledge together. You could have collections for different departments like sales, HR, IT, or marketing. Each collections can hold cards, more on that in a bit, that store specific pieces of information. Add categories. Within collections, you can add categories that make sense for your company. For example, under the IT collection, you could have categories like troubleshooting, facts, and software guides. Make it searchable. One of Guru's best features is its search function. Make sure each card has a clear title, description, and relevant tags so anyone searching can find exactly what they need. Adding knowledge to Guru. Once you have got Once you've got the organization part set up, it is time to start adding knowledge. Here's how to add and manage information in Guru. 3. Create cards to store information. Cards are the building blocks of Guru's knowledge base. Each card can hold a piece of knowledge, whether it's a document, a how-to guide, or even a video tutorial. Here's how to add a card. Click the Add Card button. You'll see this in any collection. Give your card a clear title. Example, how to reset your password, and then start adding the content. Use rich text formatting. You can add text, links, images, or even embedded files to make the card more helpful. Attach files. If you have documents, PDFs, or spreadsheets that need to be included, simply drag them into the card. 4. Set permissions for who can edit and view. Not everyone needs access to everything. Guru lets you set Guru lets you set permissions for each card, which is super helpful when you have sensitive information. Admins and contributors. You can make certain people admins, allowing them to add, edit, or delete cards, while other users can just view or comment on the content. Control access. For private or restricted info, set access controls to ensure only the right people can see certain cards or collections. This is particularly useful for confidential company policies or internal HR guidelines. Number 5. Keep knowledge up to date. As information changes, you want to make sure that what is stored in Guru is always relevant and up to date. Set reminders to review content. Guru lets you set reminders to review or update cards after a certain period, every 6 months. This helps prevent outdated information from staying in the system. Track changes with version control. Guru automatically tracks any changes made to a card, so you can see who edited what and when. You can even revert to an earlier version if needed. Using Guru's advanced features. Now that we have covered the basics, let's talk about some of the advanced features that make Guru even more powerful. Number 6. AI-powered search and recommendations. One of the best things about Guru is its AI-driven search functionality. This is way more than just a keyword search. Here's how it works. Natural language search. You can ask Guru questions in plain language. Example, how do I reset my password? And it will pull up the most relevant articles, even if they don't match the exact search terms you use. Recommendations. Based on your activity and the content you interact with most, Guru's AI will suggest knowledge cards that might be helpful for you. This can save you time and point you toward useful information you might not have thought to search for. 7. Integrations with other tools. Guru works well with a variety of other tools that you might already be using, whether it is a CRM, help desk software, or communication tool like Slack. Integrations make sharing and accessing knowledge even easier. Slack integration. You can search for and share Guru cards directly within Slack, so you don't even have to learn your conversation to access important information. CRM integration. If your team uses a CRM like Salesforce, you can integrate it with Guru to link relevant knowledge directly to customer records or sales pipelines. Zapier. For custom workflows, Guru integrates with Zapier, allowing you to automate tasks like creating new cards based on incoming emails or setting reminders to update content. 8. Mobile access for on-the-go knowledge sharing. Guru's mobile app makes it easy to access and share knowledge no matter where you are. Whether you are working from home, on a business trip, or out in the field, you can access all your knowledge directly from your phone. Offline mode. If you are somewhere without a strong internet connection, you can still access the most important cards offline. Capture knowledge on the go. You can even create and edit cards directly from the mobile app, so you can capture knowledge in real time when you are meeting with clients or working with colleagues. Making Guru a part of your everyday workflow. The beauty of Guru is that it becomes part of your daily workflow, making it easier to find the right information when you need it. Here are a few tips to make it a habit. 9. Ask for feedback and improve knowledge. Encourage your team to leave feedback on knowledge cards. This can help you spot errors or gaps and improve the overall quality of the information. Use Guru's comment section to ask questions or suggest edits. This keeps knowledge evolved over time. 10. Encourage collaboration. Knowledge management isn't just about storing information, it is about collaboration. Encourage your team to add new insights, tips, and lessons learned. You might have a process in place where every after meeting, people contribute key takeaways to relevant cards. Using Guru for knowledge management in 2025 can revolutionize the way your team stores, shares, and collaborates on important information. By implementing the right strategies, your team can create a well-organized knowledge base that enhances productivity and streamlines workflows. Guru's advanced AI capabilities help surface relevant information in real time, reducing the time spent searching for answers. Its seamless integrations with popular tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace ensures that knowledge is accessible within your existing workload. Additionally, mobile access allows team members to retrieve crucial information anytime, anywhere, promoting efficiency even in remote or hybrid work environments. By leveraging these features, your team can stay informed, reduce redundant work, and improve decision making. With a structured approach to knowledge management, Guru empowers teams to maintain up to date, easily accessible information, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that everyone has the insights they need to work smarter and more effectively.